Hi, I'm Wong Sze Leng from 8 Courage. I'm going to discuss about the Math Coursebook, exercise 5.3, question 1 to question 3. For the first question, we have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. In fraction, the denominator, which is the number below the line, must be same. And as shown here, the denominator are same, which is 3. So we can just simply get the answer by adding the numerator. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and 3 remains the same. So the answer for question for A is 2 over 3. B. The denominator is also the same, so it remains the same. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and we cannot simplify it anymore, and we will get 5 over 7. Question C. It's the same, similar question with question A and B, but it's just minus, so we will remain, the denominator remain the same. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. But for this question, we can simplify by dividing 2. So we will get 1, 4. And this is the final answer. Question D. Denominator is the same, so remains the same. 5.5 plus 8 equals to 13. As you can see here, the denominator is bigger than the denominator, and this causes an improper fraction. To make it, and we need to convert it to mixed number. So after converting it to mixed number, we'll get 1 over 1 and 4 over 9. Question E. As you can see here, the denominator is not the same. 1 is 6 and 1 is 5. At this situation, we need to make the denominator the same by multiplying 5 or 6 in order to get the factor, which is 30. 6 times 5 equals to 30. 1 times 5 equals to 5. And we'll do the same thing here. 36. After that, we can just add them. We'll get 11 over 30. Question F. The denominator is also not the same, so we need to multiply them. So 3 times 8 equals to 24, 2 times 8 equals to 16, minus 8 times 3 equals to 24, 5 times 3 equals to 15. The same thing, 16 into minus 15, we'll get 1 over 24. Question G. Oops. Okay, so now it's a mixed number and a mixed number. For this question, we can convert them to improper fraction first. 2 times 8 equals to 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 8, minus 7, 4. The denominator is not the same, so we need to convert them. 4 need to convert to 8, since 4 times 2 equals to 8. And we'll get 7 over 8 because 21 minus 14. Question H. The same thing, we need to convert it to improper fraction first. 5 times 8 equals to 40, 41 plus 8. Over 8. 16 times 3 equals to, we'll get 48. So 48 plus 1 is 49, 16. In order to move on, we need to convert them to the same denominator, which is 16, because 8 times 2 equals 16. 41 times 2, we will get 82, minus 49, 16. And we will get 82 minus 49, 33, 16. This is an improper fraction, and we need to convert them to the mixed number. 1 times 16 equals to 16. 2 times 16 equals to, if I'm not wrong, 32. So 2, 31, 33 minus 32, which equals to 1, 16. And this is the final answer for question H. This is the answer for question 1. Moving on to question 2. At A here, we have 4 minus 2 over 3. We need to convert the 4 to a mixed number in order to subtract. So we will get 3 3 over 3 minus 2 over 3. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 3 remain the same, the denominator remain the same as well. So 3 and 3 over 1 is the answer for A. Moving on, B. So first step, we also need to convert it to mixed number first. Wait, okay. 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 11. 5 over 11. Oh my god. We will get 5, 11 plus 5, 16, and denominator remains the same. This is, I don't know what it is called, but we need to convert them to a proper mixed fraction. As you can see, because the denominator, the numerator here, 16, is bigger than 11, which is not acceptable. So, if we convert it to the proper one, we will get 6, 5, 11. Question C. We are going to do the same thing. 10, 4 over 4 plus 7 and 1 over 4. We will get 17, 5 over, no, yeah, 5 over 4. The numerator here is also bigger than the denominator. So, we need to convert them to 18, 1 over 9. Question D. 10, 4 over 4 minus 7 1 over 4. The denominator is the same. 3 minus 7, 10 minus 7 equals to 3, and 4 minus 1 also equals to 3. The denominator stays the same, and we'll get 3 over 4. Question E. Convert them to improper fraction first. 7 over 2 minus 13 over 3. Denominator is not the same. Convert them to the same, which is 6. 3 times 2 equals to 6. 13 times 2 equals 26. 21 minus 26 we'll get negative 5. 6. So a negative right here. Question F. There are 3 whole numbers right here, but the denominator is not the same. So we need to get the same denominator, which is 16, the biggest one. Because 4 times 4 equals to 16 and 8 times 2 equals 16. We're still writing the whole number. We'll plus the whole number first. We'll get 5 plus 3 plus 4, which is 12. Denominator is the same, so we'll get, it remains the same here, 16. 4 plus 1 equals to 5, 5 plus 6 equals to 11, and this is the final answer for F. Question G. Okay, it's very similar as with question F. The the operator here is just not the same, which is minus. We'll do the same thing. 5, 16. Okay. 5 minus 3 equals to 2, 2 plus 1, 6. It remains 16. 2 minus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 12 equals to 13. And so this is the final answer. We'll move on to question H. Question H. The denominator is not the same, so we need to get the same denominator, which is 60, because 3 times 5 times 4. 60 divided by 3 equals to 20, so we get times 20 right here. 60 divided by 5 equals to 12, so we times 12 here. And the last one, 60 divided by 4 equals to 15, so we multiply them by 15. We'll get 15, 60. Okay. The same thing, do the whole number first. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, and 3 minus 1 we'll get 2. Denominator is 60. 20 plus 24 we'll get 44. 44 minus 15 we'll get 29 over 60. Which is the final answer. Moving on, question I. There's plus and multiply, but following the bit mass, we need to do the multiply first. So we'll ignore the 3 over 7 and write it like this. 8 can be divided by 2, which is 4. 1, is it? Yeah, it's 1. And cannot be further, yeah, okay. And we will get 1 times 14, 14, 3 times 4, 12. And you can see that the denominator is not the same. We'll get the same denominator by multiplying 12 times 7 equals to 84. 14 times 7 equals to 478. 98 over 84. 36 plus 98 equals to 134. After that, we'll simplify it by 2. So 84 divided by 2, we'll get 42. And 134 divided by 2. Yep. 47. Is it? I mean 67. And I'll convert it to a mixed number, which is 1 and 67 minus 42. 25. 25 over 42. And this is the final answer for question I. Moving on to question J. We'll ignore the 3 and 1 over 2 first and do the multiply. So with a whole number in front, we cannot do anything. We'll convert them to improper fraction, which is 9 over 4 times 4 over 3. 4 divided by 4, 1, 1. 9 divided by 3 equals to 3, 1. So we will get 3, 1 over 2 minus 3. We're gonna minus the whole number, and we will get 1 over 2. Question K. There's 3 different denominator right here. We'll make the same denominator, which is 12. 6 times 2 is going to times 6 times 3. 9, 12. Whole number, 3 times 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 7 equals to 9. 2 minus 6 equals to negative 4, plus 9, we'll get 5. Denominator stays the same. Proceed to the last question, L. We have 3 different denominators right here also. We are going to make them 60. We're going to times 50, times 20, and times 12. Two times 3 equals to negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4 equals to 3. 15 minus 20, we'll get negative 5. But negative 5 plus 12, we'll get 7 over 60. So the answer is 3 and 7 over 60. Moving on to the third question, Egyptian fractions. They said look for the Egyptian fraction of this number, but Egyptian fraction actually means Egyptian fraction actually means 1 times x plus 1 times x equals to like the number given. So we'll need to look for what plus what equals to 3/4 with a requirement. The numerator must be 1 and the denominator cannot be the same. Question A, 3/4. We'll write it this way first. 3/4 equals to 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. For now, the denominator is all the same, and there's 3 fractions right here, but we only need 2. So we'll combine these 2 together plus 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4, we'll get 2/4 plus 1/4. But 2/4 can be simplified as 1/2. So now we have fulfilled the requirement, which is these 2 do not have the same number in the denominator, and the numerator here is also 1. So the answer for A is 1/2 plus 1/4. We're going to question B, 2/3. So 2/3 is also equals to 1/3 plus 1/3. As we can see here, the numerator is 1, but the denominator is the same. So it is not acceptable. So we have another way, which is convert 2/3 to something more bigger, which is we times 2. 2 times 2 equals to 4, 3 times 2 equals to 6. So now we have a whole new number, which is just bigger, but after we simplify, it's also equals to 2/3. So 4/6 equals to 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. So we can combine 3 of these together and plus 1/6. After combining, we'll get 3/6, which equals to 1/2. So 1/2 plus the 1/6 gonna go up here, 1/6. We'll get, to justify our answer, we'll do this question. 6, 3 plus 1/6. You'll get 4/6, and it will be simplified to 2/3, which is the question above. So the answer is 1/2 plus 1/6. Question C. Question C is 5/8, which is 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. We'll combine 3 of them and 2 of them together. So 1/8 plus 1/8, we'll get 2/8, which is also equal to 1/4. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals to 3/8. And this is not acceptable. So we're going to use 1/4. So I'm going to use another method to write all this, which is looking for, like with the logic, 5/8 equals to 1/8 plus 4/8, right? And 4/8 can be simplified, so we are going to have 1/8 plus 2 plus 1/2. This is our final answer. Question D. 3/16 equals to 1/16 plus 1/16 plus 1/16. Combine these 2 together, 2/16 equals to 1/8. So 1/8 plus 1/16 is the final answer. This is the answer from question 1 to question 3. I hope you understand. Bye bye.